Solar cell is a device which convert light energy into electrical energy. Actually, this is a PN junction, and this is the construction of a solar cell, which consists of a P-type semiconductor, which is of higher thickness, around 300 micrometer thickness, and a N-type of semiconductor is grown over of thin size, around 0.3 micrometer thickness. Then the PN junction will be formed, and this is the PN junction. And why the N side is made thinner? Because the light has to enter the solar cell and reach the PN junction. And the one side of P is coated with a metal, and that metal is called as a back contact. And on the top of N side material, there will be the electrodes. Those are nothing but the conductors which are arranged in this form. This is called as the front contact, and these electrodes are called as finger electrodes. Now these finger electrodes should have lesser area, around less than 15% of the total area, because the light should enter, and the light should not be blocked by these finger electrodes. That is why it should cover only lesser area. Now when the light falls on this solar cell, the light enters and goes toward the PN junction, and here the electron hole pairs are generated. And only the thing is, here the energy of the incident light, that is H nu, should be greater than or equal to the forbidden energy gap. If it is less than forbidden energy gap, electron hole pairs will not be generated, because when the electron will go from the valence band to the conduction band only by acquiring an energy Eg. So if the energy is less than Eg, then electron will not go to the conduction band and electron hole pairs are not generated. So the energy should be more than the forbidden energy gap. When the energy is greater than forbidden energy gap, there will be electron hole pairs are generated near the depletion region. This is the depletion region. And there will be one electric field across the depletion region. This is E, and it is directed from N side to P side. So I have explained the electric field in one of my video, and the link is given in the description, and you can refer that, how the electric field is generated and what do you mean by depletion region, etc. Okay, this is the direction of electric field, and electrons will always drift against the electric field. So the electrons will go in this direction and holes will go in this direction. So that is, electrons will be collected by these finger electrodes and holes are collected by this back contact. Now what will happen here? There are excess amount of positive charges, and here there are excess amount of negative charges. Now what will happen? When the positive charges are deposited on a conductor, the potential will rise. And when negative charges are accumulated in a conductor, the potential decreases, and there will be a potential difference across P and N type. And that potential will be obtained here. And if you have connected a load, and current will flow through the load, and this load will be normally a battery which is charged by this solar cell. The characteristics of this solar cell, VI characteristics, will be I, V, and it will be drawn in the fourth quadrant. It will be quite like this. And this point is called open circuit voltage. Why? Because when the circuit is open, maximum potential drops, current will be zero because it is open. Current will not flow. So current is zero, voltage is maximum. When the load is zero, maximum current flows and voltage drop across this will be zero. So this is called now short circuit current. There is no voltage, only maximum current. Why it is drawn in the fourth quadrant now? Because normally this is a convention, that's all. So you take this battery and you connect anything. Let us I'll connect a diode. This is a resistor. Okay. Now the current flows into the diode. So we take it as positive. But a solar cell itself acts as a battery. Current flows out of this. Therefore we consider current as negative. But voltage is positive. So current is negative, voltage is positive will be in the fourth quadrant. That is why the characteristic will be drawn in the fourth quadrant.